Welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we are going to be assembling the Sherman tank. This tank is available at miniaturetanks.com, so be sure to go check it out. So here it is. First of all, you're going to take your clippers and just clip away like I'm doing here. Carefully clip away. Okay. It's handy to peel that to the side a bit if that helps. And just keep clipping away like this. There you go. One more clip should be good. Okay. Then this right there. So that support plastic material underneath the gun is clipped away. Now, just if you wish, you can try to clean it up a bit. You could use some sanding paper if you wish, or whatever. But we're not done clipping away this quite yet. Just clip away like this. You want to be clipping away this support plastic there, there, there. Alright, so now this gun part of the turret should be good. And last but not least, for the clipping away process, take the clippers and clip away that little thing under there. Now the clipping away process is complete for this kit. Now it's for the gluing together process. So go ahead and take the turret and we're gonna glue this together. So just put some glue down like that. And then put this cylinder piece like that. There you have that. You can set that aside to dry. And then up next we have this piece here. Gonna be going like this. You can see how that works. So, to glue that together, just take some glue, put it along the edge like this, and along the edge like that. And there you have that. Now, carefully place this like this. And make sure that the front is lining up well, and the back. It can be a little tricky, but just make sure the front and the back are lining up well. Once it's in a correct position, press it down like that. Alright, so what's next for this kit? Just put a bunch of glue right there. And take this front piece and just put it like that. Alright, so that's looking pretty good. What's next is going to be gluing together this. And you can see how that glues together like that, where this little features all line up. So essentially, just glue it like that. So to do that, go ahead and put glue there, 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 and along all those places. Then, so when you're gluing this on, just make sure that it looks generally like that, where all those things are gluing together like this. And just make sure it's all lining up fairly well. And that's the way it should generally look like. There you go. And then this, this, and that. Now we can put our glue off to the side because we're done gluing, except for, of course, putting this piece together. Alright, so the final step, reference both sides, make sure that they're all gluing down, all touching the surface of the table and such. All evenly spaced, etc. and then put your turret in. And there you have it. This is the Sherman from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.